is fine and everyone is doing great. So today we are going to develop a new OBS screen recorder simulate, not OBS, it's just a screen recorder with Python 3.9, because if you are using Python 3.10, OpenCV doesn't support, so make sure to install Python 3.9. And today with Python 3.9 we are going to create a 21 lines of code with me, Rohit Aditya. So just fire up your VS Code, then just wait, let it load, and then but before that you need to don't forget to follow me. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are new or old, but don't forget to share this video. Let's just get started to this video. So what we are going to need is, first we are needing NumPy. Now we will be installing NumPy, py NumPy. Yeah, now what you need to do is open your search bar, then type cmd and hit a enter, and then just do this one, copy this, open your cmd, then copy paste it and let it just install. Okay, and then what do we need is cv2. Just google cv2, open cv python. Yeah, then copy this too and same this one, and then you will be needing, wait, py auto GUI. So just go to this, copy this, don't forget to copy this. Yeah, now just install, click this one. Yeah, for it, in my case it just shows requirement already satisfied, but in your case I don't know whether it should show requirement already satisfied or downloading py auto GUI, because I don't know who you are. If you need to if I need to know you, then just don't forget to google Rohit Aditya, so that you may get the direct chat link for in telegram from here. So contact at Rohit Aditya, I will be responding your DMs. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is given below under the description of this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram too. And now let's just get started on this VS Code. Okay, now fire up your VS Code, open it. Now what we are going to do is, we need to what at first, on the headers you need to type the import statements. So now what we are going to do is import py auto GUI uh, as as pu. Okay, as public. Okay, something like public, well, let it be short, pu. Okay, now we are going to import cv2, and then import import numpy as uh, numpy as np. Okay, now this has been done successfully. Now what we are going to do is, we need to say our computer what's our resolution, not computer, say our code what is the resolution. So just open a resolution variable, then open a parenthesis, then enter your resolution 1080. In my case it's 192 into 1080. To ensure this, just now go to settings and in systems you can find the display resolution here, 1920 into 1080. Now just if it differs, just edit this in line number 5. And now what you need to do is, you need to specify the codec. So codec equal to cv2 cv2 dot video write video writer 4x. Also in the parameter of this, um, yeah, now this done. Now just we need to define the file name, because file name equal to Rohit Aditya's uh, okay, not Rohit Aditya underscore screen rec. That's it. Now we are getting don't forget to add an AVI because Microsoft's default video player is AVI. If you need the stream in MP4, just give MP4 or anything you want. Okay, so that's the AVI file. Now what we are going to do is we need to specify the FPS, that is frame per second, and that will be default. It's 60.0. Just give it as a 60.0. Let it be default. Now what we need to do is we need to create a new writer object, so a video writer object. So just open a out as a variable, and then now in the out just create cv2 dot video writer. The now this guy, these four variables need to be aligned properly to the video writer's parameters. So at first the video writer parameter requires the file name, so we are going to give a file name, and then it will be requiring the codec, so give the codec, and then it will be requiring the fps, that means frames per second, and then resolution. So don't forget, remember the first parenthesis file name, the second parenthesis codec, the third parenthesis is fps, frame per second, and the fourth parameter is resolution. Now hit enter, and then now we need to create a new empty window. So for this empty window we will be using cv2 dot named named window, that will be screen 1. Okay, that will be screen 1, and that screen will be normal screen, cv2 dot window, no, that's window underscore normal. Yeah, this one. Okay, then we need to resize this window, because you can't work with the full screen. So you are going to resize the window as cv2 dot resize window, and make sure to apply the same name, cv2 resize the window with the same name, screen 1, and you need to specify the screen 1's frame size. So that may be 480 comma 270. That's enough, I guess. If you need more than like a bigger screen like OBS, you can do this, or if you need a smaller screen, you can just do 270, 370, 470, whatever you think. Okay. Now for the cv2 resize window, after that we are going to create our code block while true. Yeah, this is the favorite part. While true, in while true just create an image. That image is because we are going to use PyAuto GUI, that is pu here, pu dot a screenshot, because we need a screenshot of that image to convert it as an array. So now we are going to convert the image as an array. So frame equal to uh, the array is a class of numpy. So just import the array. That means that just write mp as here it is in mp. And if you are renaming anything apart from mp, just do that in this case. And if you are renaming the PyAutoGUI as something else, just rename it here. Okay, and then after image, now we need to convert this blue green red screen as red green blue screen. So that's done by default uh, by cv2. So cv2 dot convert color. Yeah, convert color as frame comma convert color bgr2 rgb. Yeah, this one. And just go to the end of that, and what we need to do is we need to write the file name. So out dot write frame. Yeah, this will write the frame of the video, which I told before, that that's the screen of that video. So that now we need to show the live preview of this screen recorder like OBS. See, this is live preview of the screen recorder. So we are going to create this screen recorder. So for that we need to show cv2 dot imshow. Imshow not out, that's frame, not out, that's a frame. Okay, for this frame we need to name something like this one, like screen 1 uh, comma frame. Yeah, like this. So cv2 dot frame. Now we need to quick exit, right? Like for quick exit we will be naming this one. If cv2 dot wait key of 1 is equal to ORD of Q, then it will just leave the break statement. uh, just it will give the break statement by breaking this loop. Okay, let's and then this is finished. Now let's just write out dot release to release the video, or el, yeah, release. Now the favorite part of my code is this cv2 dot destroy all the windows. This is the favorite part of this all this code. I love this part. I don't know why, because I love to destroy all the windows. So here is the new code on this cv2 dot all windows. And comment down your favorite key for the favorite word keyword of this code in this comment box down, and then you can get you just follow me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and make sure to subscribe this. This is a 21 line code which our screen record is done. Now let's just check it out by running this. Okay, let's just save it, and then we will click this good button. I hope it doesn't show any errors. Okay, let me click this. Yeah, so it's just running. I hope. Yeah, yeah, you can see the screen here. This is the live preview of the screen which we just saw now. So here it's recording like this. So it's sincerely like this one, like OpenCV. Like that means that's open OBS software. It is recording similar to OBS. And also you can see the video name as Rohit Aditya screen record.avi. You can see this here, Rohit Aditya dot screen record.avi. This will be recorded here. Okay, and this is auto recording it, and it will save this. So within the 21 lines of this code we have done this screen recorder. I hope this code will be useful, and for more videos like this, just subscribe this and comment down below for your next ideas. I have no idea, just comment down, I will make the video. Okay, that's great. See you tomorrow. Bye from Rohit Aditya.